guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy bag for you for February, and we shall see what I got. Okay, so this is the bag. It's so cute with these lips on it. And there's this thing that's gonna tell me what's in my bag, I guess, and it's Swoon So Hard. The first thing I see is this brush. This is so beautiful. Sarah is who makes this. Do you see this beautiful brush? It's so pink. I'm so excited about this. It feels nice. Oh, I love this brush. It's so pretty. I love getting brushes. I don't know why. I just love them so much. I could never get sick of getting brushes. So here's this brush. Now let's get into this bag. So the first thing in here is from The Balm. It's called Alternative Rock Volume 1 Shadow Card. And this is called Take It for Granted. Oh dear, that just fell right out. Okay, that's that color for you. Alright, I'm gonna swatch it. It's a really pretty color. I don't know if you can see it that well on my hand, but that's what it looks like. I like it. I'm excited to use this. I'm just gonna put it in one of those little other things. Then I got a Glam & Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow, which I'm actually really excited to try this because I have not tried anything from Glam & Glow before, so this will be my first thing I will try from them. So that's pretty cool. And then I got a Deuce eyeliner. Oh, that's nice and black. What I like to see. So I got a liquid eyeliner, which I can never have too much of. I love liquid eyeliner. And I actually go through it pretty fast, even though I don't wear makeup very often. I don't know why, probably because I wear so much. And then this is an Superfood Facial Wash. And it's Advanced Skincare. So this is just a face wash. I'll have to try this out. I have another product from this company that I think I got in my BoxyCharm. So I'll have to see if I can use them together. But yeah, so I got face wash, moisturizer, eyeliner, a really pretty eyeshadow color, and this makeup brush. I'm really excited about this brush. It's so pretty. So this is super cute, and this is all pretty. This is actually a really good Ipsy bag. I'm pretty excited about everything that I got in this, so I'm looking forward to trying all of that out. And then this bag is just so cute with all these little lips all over it. So yeah, that is my Ipsy bag for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You should comment below and tell me what you guys got in your Ipsy bags this month, if you got anything the same as me or completely different, and what your favorite thing was that you got. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I love you guys so much. Bye guys!